Hello, my name is James and I'm a product specialist here at Marin Acura in Corte Madera, California. Today I'm going to show you how to use the navigation system in a 2023 Acura RDX. So with the touchpad, I'm going to select Find. I'm going to zoom in here and press Search. Now we can either talk to the car, write it in where that A was, or use a keyboard up here at the right. I'm going to talk to the car right here. 5860 Paradise Drive, Corte Madera, California. That is our address. I'm going to click on the touchpad to access the results and then select Go. Now, we're already here, but that's how you set the navigation in a 2023 Acura RDX. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.